Welcome to the lecture number 14. So, in previous lecture we have completed all the properties of Laplace transform. Now, henceforth we are going to study the Laplace transform of special function. Laplace transform of special function. Special function. Now which are these special functions? So here first there is periodic function, second is unit step function, or it is also called as Heaviside function. After that, Dirac delta function. Next, error function. Fifth is Bessel's function. Of zero order. Okay, so these are the different special functions that we have to study in this particular lecture number 14 or next lectures. Okay, so let us start with the first, that is periodic function. Now what is meant by periodic function? Its name itself indicates that it is nothing but the function which repeats its value after some specific period of time. That is known as periodic function. So let us see the definition of this, and after that we will see the Laplace transform of this periodic function. So the definition of this is the function which repeats its original value after specific period of time is called periodic function. Okay, so this is the simple definition of periodic function. Now, how this periodic function is denoted? So the periodic function is denoted by f of t is equal to f of t plus t. Now what is this capital T? This capital T indicates, this capital T is nothing but the period of a function. Okay, this is known as period. Now, how to calculate the Laplace transform of this particular periodic function? So, Laplace transform of periodic function f of t is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus st integration from 0 to t e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Okay, so this is the simple definition of the periodic function. Okay, what is this? This is Laplace transform of f of t, that is, this f of t is a periodic function where here f of t is equal to f of t plus t. So this condition must be specified in the numerical. Okay, in the numerical this condition is always specified. So this is Laplace transform of periodic function. Now let us solve some example upon this, and after that we will see the next functions. Okay, so let us see example number first. find the Laplace transform of the square wave function which is defined as follows. F of t is equal to 1 for 0 is less than or equal to a, that is equal to minus 1 for 0 is less than t less than 2a. Okay, so here actually it is 0 is less than t less than a, right? So that means for 0 to a the period is, the value of function is 1, and for 0 to 2a the value of f of t is minus 1. Okay, so this is from a to 2a, this is from a to 2a. Okay, and f of t is equal to f of t plus 2a is given. Okay, so this much will be given in the question, and from that we have to find the Laplace transform of this particular function. So given f of t is equal to 1 for 0 is less than t less than a, that is equal to minus 1, a is less than t less than 2a. Okay, so here the value of t is 2a, that is period is 2a, right? So now we know that by using definition of Laplace periodic function, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus st integration from 0 to t e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Okay, now just put the values of periods here. 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus, the period is 2a, so therefore 2as integration from 0 to 2a into e raised to minus st into f of t dt. Now that is equal to, the value of this f of t is different for different limits, that's why let us take that limits. So 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 2as in bracket for 0 to a e raised to minus st into f of t is 1 into dt plus integration from a to 2a e raised to minus t, the value of the function is minus 1 into dt. Okay, now just we have to simplify this, so that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 2as in bracket integration of e raised to minus st is in e raised to minus st upon s limit from 0 to a plus, so okay, so this plus minus will be minus e raised to minus st upon minus s limit from a to 2a. Okay, so now just put upper limit minus lower limit and let us see what happens. That is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2as in bracket, put upper limit, so e raised to minus as upon minus s minus lower limit, so minus minus plus e raised to 0 upon s. Okay, this is upper limit, minus again here minus it will be plus, so put upper limit e raised to minus 2as upon s minus e raised to minus as upon s. Okay, so this is, now after that let us simplify this further. So what we can write this, so here it was e raised to minus 2as, so this can be written as, that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 2as in bracket. Okay, what was that? So here it is e raised to minus as upon minus s plus 1 by s. Okay, e raised to, that is e raised to minus as upon s, that is minus plus 1 upon s. Okay, this is first term, and second term is plus e raised to minus 2as plus e raised to minus 2as upon s minus e raised to minus as upon s. Okay. So now if you further simplify this, what we get? So that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 2as in bracket. Write down this term first, e raised to minus 2as upon s minus e raised to minus s minus e raised to minus s. So that will be minus 2 e raised to minus as upon s plus 1 upon s. Okay. Now that is equal to 1 upon 1 minus e raised to minus 2as in bracket. Denominator is same. So here we can write e raised to minus 2as minus 2 e raised to minus as plus 1. This can be written as again further. Can we write this as e raised to minus as bracket square minus 2 e raised to minus as plus 1 divided by s as it is in bracket. This can be written as 1 minus e raised to minus as bracket square bracket close. Right? So now again this can be written as this numerator can be written as 1 minus 2 e raised to minus as plus e raised to minus as bracket square divided by s in bracket 1 minus e raised to minus as. Okay. Now what is this? This is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 1 minus e raised to minus as whole square divided by s into 1 minus e raised to minus as. Okay. So this is in first bracket, that is a square minus b square 1 plus e raised to minus as. This is a square minus b square. So here it will be 1 minus e raised to as, e raised to minus as, in another bracket 1 plus e raised to minus as. Okay. So now here this can be written as in another bracket 1 plus e raised to minus as. So here this square and this one bracket get cancelled. What we get on the numerator? 1 minus e raised to minus as upon s in bracket 1 plus e raised to minus as. Right. So now this can be further simplified. How? Let us see this, how to simplify this further. So this can be written as further 1 upon s as it is in bracket. Can we write this as e raised to minus as by 2 minus e raised to as by 2, sorry, this is plus and this is minus as by 2 upon, this can be written as e raised to as by 2 plus e raised to minus as by 2. Okay, we can write this. So now after that what we can write this? If you divide numerator and denominator by 2, if you divide this denominator by 2, numerator by 2 and denominator by 2, then what is this? This is nothing but one formula. What is that formula? So this is nothing but 1 upon s in bracket, that is sine hyperbolic as by 2 divided by cos hyperbolic as by 2, and that is nothing but 1 upon s into what is this? Tan hyperbolic as by 2. So this is your value of Laplace transform of f of t. Okay. So in this way we can solve the examples depending on this particular type. Okay. So now let us take another example that is for homework. Example number 1. Find Laplace transform of f of t is equal to cos omega t, 0 is less than t less than pi by omega, and that is equal to 0. Pi by omega is less than t less than 2 pi by omega, and f of t is equal to f of t plus 2 pi by omega. That means period is 2 pi by omega. Let us take another example. So let us take another example as find Laplace transform of okay, f of t is equal to a sine into pt for 0 is less than t less than pi by p, that is equal to 0. Pi by p is less than t less than 2 pi by p. So these examples, both examples are similar. F of t is equal to f of t plus 2 pi by p. Okay. Third example, find Laplace transform of f of t is equal to t for 0 is less than t less than 1 is equal to 0, for 1 is less than t less than 2, and f of t is equal to f of t plus 2. Okay, that means period is 2 here. Okay, so I hope you understand this. After that we will see more examples on this periodic function. Okay, thank you.